So we just went over the front post double crochet. Now we're going to jump into the back post double crochet. Honestly, these kind of look the same, but as a single, like using it on its own, it almost looks identical to the front post. So it's easy to get confused, but it works almost as easily as the front post double crochet, but it's just, instead of going through the front, you're coming through the back, hence front post versus back post. So we're just going to jump right in. I have a starting foundation of 15 double crochets right here, and I've already chained one and turned, so I'm just going to place a double crochet as normal in that very first stitch. As I've mentioned before, I like to keep a regular solid stitch in my first and my last stitches when working with post stitches. It makes life easier. But from here, to start our back post double crochet, you are going to yarn over as you normally would. And then instead of going through the front, you're going to come around the back, throw your hook behind your work, and you're going to pop your hook out through, coming from the back through the front, and then you're going to go over that post. So here's our post. So we're going to go over it, basically pushing it to the back, and push our hook through the next space between stitches and out the back. So you can see we've got our full post on our hook now, and it's being pulled towards the back post. So you're just going to work a double crochet as you normally would. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And that is your first back post double crochet. Like I said, it does the exact same thing as the front post. It just puts that cabled look, that ridge look on the back of your work versus the front. So one more time, that you're going to come from the back through to the front, and then you're going to just kind of fold over, I guess, for lack of a better word, and go back through towards the back. Make sure you got that whole post on your stitch, and then you're just going to work a double crochet as you normally would. So I'm going to do another couple more real quick across the row, just so you can see how it works up. All right, I'm not going to go all the way to the end. But this is what we've got when working back post double crochet. So when working back post, the side that's facing you, you're getting that nice ridged effect right here because you're pulling that post backwards. So these are our back posts. Oops, my nail got caught. These are back post, these are more back post, and then in the center here are just basic regular worked double crochet stitches. So then on the back side, you can see we're getting these nice raised cables. And then again, that little section right here in the middle is just our regular double crochets. So like I said, it is just like working the front post double crochet, or at least it looks like it's the front post. It's just they work, the front post double crochet and the back post double crochet, like I said, they work pretty hand in hand when working back and forth in rows. They are commonly used for, texture and ridged effects for cables. They're very popular with the waffle stitch and the basket weave stitch. They are on my list to do, so we will get to them. But yeah, so the side that is facing you would be this. So you see you got that nice flat ridged line, and then on the back we've got these nice, my thumb is in the way, we've got these nice cable looking stitches. And like I said, if I can find it, here we go. So this is our front post swatch that we did in the previous video. So you can kind of tell between the front post and the back post when you've got the, come on, focus. Are we gonna focus? There we go. So the blue is our back post, and I have the right side facing me with that nice flat ridge. Whereas the yellow is our front post, and I have the wrong side facing me. So this is what the back of your front post will look like. And then this is what the front of your back post will look like. I think I said that right. And then if you flip it, let's the same thing. They line up. So the right side of your front post gives you that cabled look, and the wrong side of your back post gives you that cable look, which is why you use them a lot interchangeably when working back and forth in rows, so everything lands on the same side. So if you want to do like a bunch of rows of cables, you would do 1 row back post double crochet, and then you would follow up with a row of front post double crochet, so all of those posts line up nice and neatly. But that's really all I got for you for the post stitches. Like I said, I use them a lot in conjunction with using the rear third loop with half double crochets, and it's a great thing for texture, honestly. And for surface crochet, it's also handy because, like I said, you do get this ridge, and later on, if you want to, you can actually go back and crochet into this open ridge that you have here.
I'm not sure I understand.
Stupid watch. My apologies. But yeah, so that's really it. That's all I got for you for the back post double crochet. I'm gonna go and figure out what I need to do with my life. You go practice as always, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!